afternoon, chickadees. Welcome back to another day and a big fat kitchen mess. Oh, I did all that cooking for Sandy, and then I didn't feel great, and then I didn't feel great yesterday. So we're going to start the day by doing some dishes because it's a little bit of a hot mess. So I'm going to get Alexa to play me some music, and we're going to go from there. Phew. All right. So I have made a small dent in the dishes. When you don't have a dishwasher, don't leave stuff out non-soaked to dry and get crunchy crusty. Because now I have 2 sinks full of hot soaking water, and I'm going to do some brunch while I'm letting those do their thing. So I didn't do this peanut sesame kit yesterday that I was going to, but I'm going to have that for brunch today. And to that, I'm going to add some dried wakame seaweed. I have some Shimeji mushrooms, some quail eggs. I'm just going to try and soft boil 2 of those. I have some teriyaki seaweed sheets. These, if you haven't ever seen bamboo this way, this is the tip of the bamboo. Most people know bamboo as the flat rectangle, kind of fibrous parts, but this particular one, these are quite soft, and they're just in a water. I have a baby bok choy, some carrots, some of my pickled onions and cabbage, and then a bit of lime juice. So I'm going to put this together. Not really anything to do. You've seen the components in the bag before, so I'll just put a little picture there if you haven't seen one of my videos before. That's going to have the soup mix, a couple of pickled vegetables, some rice noodles, sauce, things like that. And yeah, other than I'll cook the quail eggs. And basically, once the noodles have cooked and I've taken them out and the water's still hot but it's not boiling, I'm just going to put the quail eggs in there for a few minutes, and hopefully I can get a soft boil. I can do it on a duck egg. I can do it on a chicken egg. I haven't been particularly successful on quail eggs, so I'm going to try a different time today. And, and I'll throw the bok choy in there to kind of cook that a little bit, and everything else will just be toppings. Hey guys, welcome back for dinner. Look how exciting this is going to be. This is literally all I'm going to do. Whew. We've had a big storm come over. It's hit me really hard, and I'm feeling pretty horrible. So I have 1 more sink of dishes, which I'm not going to do. And basically I am going to have a bowl of soup and go to bed. And I will see you guys tomorrow.